Hey, it's a true confession, okay? And I just really want to share it because I just want you to grow. I just want me to grow. And it was the growing experience. I went to a cafe today, and the owner is a girl, and she was very polite, very nice. After some time, her boyfriend came, and he was very handsome, and I really like that guy. And I started thinking that this girl is very basic for him, and I didn't like that. And I started to get the attention of that guy. I started to apply my lipstick and I just started to looking at him, but he didn't look at me. Then I felt that, Coel, this is your jealousy talking, so you have to figure it out. So then I have to affirm myself that be the girl's girl, bless them, bless them. The girl getting handsome boyfriend doesn't mean that you will be not getting a handsome guy. I was so happy after that because God gave me the opportunity to learn myself that something has to be healed. Where from this jealousy coming? Why it's bothering? And how I can heal that? Bye. Love you.